Justice in the school zone. A school bus stopped in a sacred city. There is no rush here. What is at stake are the lives of the little ones. But there is always someone who believes that their time is worth more than safety. Look, it is an absolute influence that could end up abroad, but justice does not always take long. There is an exact moment when the law puts order. That is a fine that will never be forgotten. The route puts us to the test, but ethics define us. Advice for colleagues. As professional cyclists, let's be the eyes of the road. Respect the school zones. A second of patience saves a life.